Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and make text bigger on Snapchat. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, you first have to access your settings, but before that let's see the Snapchat. So this is the text size right now, right? We go back, access the settings, we go to this option called display over here, go to this option called font size and style. Right now it's in this a third button, but if we take it to the largest and we go back and we access our Snapchat and again go to messages, now you can see the text or bigger, larger. That's how you can simply change the ratio and then the size of your text from your mobile phone like that. Again, you can go back to your settings and you can change it to however you will like. That is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.